Hey everyone, what's up? I'm back with another unboxing. This time I have this Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K streaming stick. So if you have a 4K TV, and a lot of people do because they're so cheap now, you might want to get higher quality video, and this will give you the 4K experience. Otherwise, the regular TV stick only gives you up to 1080p. And this one comes with the new Alexa voice remote that has the volume buttons and the mute button. So this is what the front looks like. Here are some features on the side here. It's quad core. You can see it's Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, so faster Wi-Fi. You definitely want to take advantage of like any fast internet that you have at home. Here's what the box looks like on the back. Some useful commands. What's included inside, you can see that the Fire Stick itself, the remote, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, a power adapter for the Fire TV Stick, a USB charging cable, and an extension for HDMI. So all you need is high-speed internet and a 4K TV. This will work on a non-4K TV as well, but if you want 4K video quality, then you should have a 4K TV, of course. And this has 8 gigs of storage, so you can store more apps. But I think if you're a Prime member, Amazon will store all your stuff in the cloud anyways. This is on sale this Black Friday for around 30 bucks. You can still get it for like $35 today. Nothing else in here. Here's what the package looks like. Some paperwork. Here's the USB to micro USB charging cable. Here's the power adapter. Here's the Alexa voice remote. It's Bluetooth. I actually read that it has infrared as well, and that it can control some TVs, which would be really cool. Yeah, it looks like there's like an infrared thing right here. That's why there's this plastic covering it. So that's really cool. Because typically, this is just a Bluetooth remote with the Fire Stick, but now it seems like you may be able to control the TV, although there's not a lot of buttons there, so it's going to be very basic features, I guess, like power and volume only. Here is the Fire TV Stick itself. It doesn't seem to be much bigger than the original one that came out many years ago. It's nicely bundled up. There's the micro USB input for power, the logo, HDMI connection, says HDMI here. Batteries for the remote, Amazon Basics branded, of course. And here's the HDMI extension adapter. So that's all there is in the package. This is what you get. So the remote, the extension, the Fire TV Stick, batteries, power adapter. So this thing is quad core now, and at 1.7 gigahertz, and like I said earlier, it's 8 gigs, supports Bluetooth 5.0, And free cloud storage for digital content purchased from Amazon. So I guess you don't have to have an Amazon Prime account, but like if you buy it from the Amazon App Store, you get free cloud storage. That's all there is to it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'll be streaming, TV through the internet with this thing. So I'm really excited because I'm upgrading a very first gen Fire TV stick that came out a long time ago for $20. I'm finally replacing it with this one, so I'm pretty excited. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.